Foul. Foul, Jubilius. Number 3 foul. Sino number 1? Oh, number 1 daw foul. Sino foul? Si number 3 o si ano? Number 1 foul. Number 1 foul. Ito pasto Villar. Pasto Villar. Villar, penetrate. Laro 2 points. Laro nata 24. Laro. Score 39 all. Jesus. Oliver, taking the ball. Laro. Still time. Gabi. 2 points. Easy 2 points by Gabi. Exxon, dribbling the ball. Exxon. Gabi, Arenas, dribbling the ball. Oliver. Rebound by Oliver. Yes. Exxon, 2 points. Exxon. 14, 19. Jesus. They have a foul. Oliver. Penalty. Oliver, 28 foul. 28 foul. Knocking foul, 28, Oliver. Number 28, 3 fouls. Sub, left sub. 3 out, 6. Ranulio in. Jesus. 1 point for Jesus. Second shot by Jesus. Another 1 point for Jesus. Oliver taking the ball.
Score!
Oliver.
Sino lamang makol?
Ay, kanina, wait lang. Too strong. Time check, 3 minutes and 45 seconds. 3 minutes and 44 seconds.
43-41 in favor of
Stavanger.
43-41 in favor of Stavanger.
Score 43-41 in favor of Stavanger. We have a substitution.
Sorry, nagloko ang net kanina, hindi ako makapag-live. Maraming na-miss, sorry.
Number 1, sino dyan? Oh, tatlo pa lang ako. Tatlo pa lang ang Arenas. May Arenas pa rin. 7 minutes. Okay. Okay, number 1, Arenas sa De La Cruz.
Salva, isa lang.
Second shot by Oliver. Oliver, 1 point.
One stop.
Time check, 3 minutes 38. Score 43-41 in favor of Stavanger.
Rebound by Oliver. Laro. Oliver, dribbling the ball. We have a foul. Foul, Ranulio. Number 6, foul. Ranulio, foul.
Nice one, Dave.
Penalty. We have a penalty. Yes, penalty. One point for Texon. Okay, score 43 all on both sides. Ako na lang susunod, hindi nakita eh. 3. Penalty, foul number 1. De La Cruz, foul. De La Cruz, foul. Villar on the free throw. First shot. 1 point for Villar. Second shot by Villar. Another 1 point for Villar. Score 43-45 in favor of Los Isles, Boston. Okay, 2 points for Jesus. Sorry, Radil.
Score 43-45. All 45 na pala.
Sorry ko doon.
45 all, time check, 2 minutes, 28.
Ramulio. De La Cruz, Ramulio na ball. Ito doon. Laro on the ball. Sorry doon. Difficult shot. Number 19. Time check. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 1 minute and 48 seconds. Ricoton. 2 points by Ricoton. Time out. Time out. Later. Good. Jesus. Yes, 2 points for Jesus. Time out. Okay. Time check, 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Lamang dalawang ano?
2 points by De La Cruz. 2 points by De La Cruz.
Abla! 49 all.
Score 49 all.
49 all.
55 seconds. Last 55 seconds. Stop. Time out.
Abla!
Time out.
No.
No time out. No. Ball to Ricoton. Laro. Last. Who's foul? Number 20. Number 20. Okay, time check. Last 42 seconds. Penalty. We have a penalty.
Uy! All! What's the score?
Score 49 all.
Okay, score 49 all. One point for Pexon, 19. Second shot for Pexon. Another 1 point for Pexon. Okay. Last 40 seconds.
Bumala! Lamang dalawa!
Who's foul? 19 foul. 19 foul. Lamang kayo, dalawa. Lamang sila. Sino naman Oslo na? Okay, score is 51-49 in favor of Las Islas Oslo team. Last 25 seconds, last 25 seconds. Second shot by Jesus. Okay, 1 point for Jesus. We have a timeout. Timeout.
1 point. Next station.
Special case for Vitus sponsors.
Pressure. Now. Pressure. Deny all the pass. Deny all the pass. So we can pressure them. Deny. Get the number. Get the number. No. You have the Andy. We're good. 12? Yeah. Kayo yung, akin yung, si Joe. Kayo yung, 19. Please. Oras tayong pasa dyan. Pasa. Pagka-receive. Sige. Makol dito tayo para kita ni Jess.
Okay. Foul.
Hindi pa nga na-receive yung bakul sa oras. Lugi sa amin yan.
Naharangan lang ako lang.
Add 2 seconds.
We will add 2 seconds, okay? Sorry kasi lahat, hindi naman 100% makikita eh. Okay, last 22 seconds ha, last 22 seconds. One point for Texon, 1 point for Texon. Okay, 2 points for Texon. Timeout, we have a timeout. Okay, timeout.
Score!
Our score, 53-50 in favor of
In favor of Oslo. Final score 50-53 in favor of Oslo.
One, 2 seconds. Plus 1 more second. Yes, this is correct. Time is correct. Time is correct now. Correct na yung time. Adjust yung oras.
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, time check.
Time is correct.
Now time is updated. Now time is correct. We have last 22 seconds. Last 22 seconds. Brought to you by Fanas Paribang, one of our major sponsors. Philstar, Balikbayan Bank, one of our major sponsors. Foul, Oliver. Oliver, fourth foul. Ready the first shot. Yes, 1 point for Ranullo. Ranullo, sorry. Yes. 1 point for Ranullo. Ranullo, second shot. 2 points for Ranullo. Time up. Okay, our score 53 and 52 in favor of Las Vegas. Handshake, last 60 minutes, last 16 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game.
Coach, let me play.
De la Cruz. Jesus. 2, 1.
Yay! Final score, 52.
Score 53 and 52.
In favor of Oslo.
55, 54 in favor of Oslo.